I'm Sarah Lynn, and as a food blogger and recipe developer, I do a lot of cooking, which of course leads to a lot of dishes. Today, I'm gonna share some of my favorite features, as well as 3 tips for getting the most out of your dishwasher. I really love that the space-wise adjustable rack helps make a space for everything, big and small. I can also adjust the top rack to make room for things like dishwasher-safe pots and baking sheets, so I don't have to hand wash them or do a second load, which of course saves a ton of time. There's a Store More third rack designed for things like silverware and cooking utensils, which is amazing for making sure everything fits and gets extra clean. Once it's loaded, the Orbit Clean Wash system takes over. It allows for 4 times the wash coverage, so my dishes come out completely clean without having to rinse them first. A total bonus. And no matter how it's loaded, the water will reach anywhere, which means no second cycles for dishes that didn't come out clean the first time, because who has time for that? One of my major pet peeves is when the dishes don't come out dry and I have to spend my time drying them off with a towel. It really slows me down when I'm doing a ton of cooking. The Even Dry feature ensures that my dishes come out completely dry every time. And to boost drying performance and reduce water spots even more, simply use a rinse aid. All you need to do is add it to the labeled dispenser and refill as necessary. It's pretty obvious why I am such a huge fan of this dishwasher. It absolutely makes my life in the kitchen easier, so I can focus on the things that really matter, like eating, for example.